Hey guys!
Hi! I got Bullseye here with her full book.
Why does she have a book with her today?
My first reading club.
My first reading club! So we are super excited. This is a non-spoiler, so nobody freak out. We've had this one for a little bit and we're just now unboxing it. My First Reading Club is a book subscription club for kids. Every month they send your kids books and they do it super, super cheap. You can get it for monthly at $21.99, but as low as $18.99 a month if you do a 12-month membership. They have 5 different age groups that you can sign up for, and we've been with them well over a year and we love it, don't we?
Don't we, Bullseye? It's like, I never done this before.
Oh, is he new and scared?
Not scared, but it's like, what is this box called?
Well, let's show him what's inside.
Now
Ready?
slide, dude. Get back here.
On top, as always, the person who packs and a little note from the co-founder and what's going on. They have several book hubs. You can see them here. They have adult ones, thriller ones, audio ones. I needed to get my husband on the audiobook club. He's getting expensive with his audiobooks. Let me show them real quick.
Hi.
So inside it looks like this with all of your boxes in the mom gift. This says, "The Feet in the Gym." Here's what the inside looks like. The Feet in the Gym is a retail value of $5.95. That looks pretty cute. Ooh, that one's cute. The cake. Tiger wants to bake a cake. It doesn't go exactly as planned. This one has a retail value of, does it say on here? Oh, this one doesn't say. Oh, this one's cute. Let me show you the inside. Woo! There's a page. It's like their conversation. This one doesn't have the retail value on it. Most of them do. Oh, this one's cute. The Peter Rabbit Doodle Book.
I don't like rabbits, but I like.
That's not true.
I like. Oh, come on, you are.
You like this, don't you?
I don't like the show piece, but I like coloring books though.
You like this one, I can see it in your face. And this one has a retail value of $12.99. And then this one, Captain Jack and the Pirates. This. Oh, yep.
That's weird.
Inside it's very pretty. Let me get a page of color. It's very, very pretty. And this one, let's see if it has a retail value on it. Retail value is $17.99. So this book is $18. This one's $13. We're already over what we paid for the month. This one doesn't have a price, but I would say at least $12.99. And then $6. So there we go. For as little as $18.99, but as much as $21.99, all of these were in there. Plus a little gift from Mom. So what do you think about this, Emma?
Love it.
Love it. Will you share with your sister? We'll work on that part. What do you say to my First Reading Club?
Thanks. Thank you.
Very much.
Bullseye says thank you because she likes books a lot.
Oh.
I made this for her.
Let's show them your tiny book.
It's so tiny.
My First Reading Club inspired her to make a book of her own. Isn't that so cute? And it is perfect for Bullseye to read. All right, guys.
And
we'll see you guys later.
It's all about flowers and it has tons of words. You can't even read it because it's like a little lines. Bullseye likes it.
All right, let's tell everybody goodbye.
Bye.
We'll see you later. Bye, y'all.
Yeah, that was fun.
That was fun.
Bullseye